How to log in Rainbow Six mobile game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily log into Rainbow Six Mobile so that you can save progress across devices. First of all, open the Rainbow Six mobile game on your Android device or your iOS device, whichever device you have. And then once you end up in this page, tap on Login to save your progress button. You can log in using Ubisoft, Google account, or your existing Facebook account. If you want to create a new account, you can tap on or create an account button. I'm just going to continue signing in with my Ubisoft account. So go ahead and tap on Ubisoft if you'd like to do the same. If not, you can also go and tap on the Google or the Facebook option. Just select the option that you've previously used. After selecting Ubisoft, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and enter the email address and password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgotten Password link and follow through the reset process. Finally, click on the login button after entering your credentials. Once logged in, you'll go straight into the tutorial and can start playing matches. So that is how you can easily log into your Rainbow Six mobile game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.